So far, so good.
Yeah, mating's going great for you there.
Wow, what do they do out here? I'm pretty sure I was, but I wasn't a husband. Got my plane back, okay?
Yeah. I love the way this thing flies.
Yeah, you want to fly?
Go ahead and enjoy it.
Okay, no. You were right, sir. That is right.
You're getting like me. Your eyes are getting.
That's the right turn, okay?
I gotta enjoy the hobby while I still got some amount of vision left.
Yeah, I got to go to the doctor Friday. I guarantee I won't miss it. Oh, I didn't set the voice up on any of these. Yeah. Okay, I didn't think about it.
Do what now?
I didn't set the voice up on any of these.
Wish, what's that?
You know, where it says 3 minutes, 2 minutes.
Oh, the timer, yeah. Did you rebind this when you set it up with this new radio as with safe on it?
No, I couldn't. I was going to put it with the PT19. I couldn't get safe on it. At least I didn't think it was. So I just put the bind in the normal way.
Well, I can help you set this up where it's got safe on it if you want.
I'll do the PT19 that way.
I like it just because you can turn, you don't got to fly with it on all the time. You just turn it off and
I got a minute 5 on it.
then you're in, if you get into a bind like that, not knowing your orientation, you just turn it on and at least then you got a chance of saving it,
When I get out there, I'm really questionable about what is this thing doing exactly?
Yeah, you're like me. You got to start flying it in a little closer. I guess that's, that may be why I like that Super EZ so much, is because that's the only plane I have that I'm real comfortable flying it super close in and super low to the ground.
Yeah, well that's right there's about the maximum I want to go out with this thing.
Yeah, I would agree.
When it turns, I have a hard time seeing it.
Well, just remember those invasion stripes on the bottom.
But sometimes in the turn you can't tell.
Give us a couple of passes right here in front of us that's low.
Are you taping this?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That way we could get us close enough in. Pal, you fixing to land?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
I don't know what this battery is.
Little left rudder. You landed it.